بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
والليل إذا يغشى.
By the night when it enshrouds.
والنهار إذا تجلى.
And by the day when it breaks in its glory.
وما خلق الذكر والأنثى.
And by Him who created the male and the female.
إن سعيكم لشتى.
Surely your strivings are divergent.
فأما من أعطى واتقى.
As for him who gave out his wealth for Allah's sake and abstained from disobeying Him,
وصدق بالحسنى.
and affirmed the truth of goodness,
فسنيسره لليسرى.
we shall facilitate for him the way to bliss.
وأما من بخل واستغنى.
As for him who was a miser and behaved with aversion to Allah,
وكذب بالحسنى.
and denied the truth of goodness,
فسنيسره للعسرى.
we shall facilitate for him the way to hardship.
وما يغني عنه ماله إذا تردى.
And his wealth shall be of no avail to him when he perishes.
إن علينا للهدى.
Surely it is for us to show the right way.
وإن لنا للآخرة والأولى.
And to us belong the next life and the present.
فأنذرتكم نارا تلظى.
I have now warned you of a blazing fire.
لا يصلاها إلا الأشقى.
Where none shall burn except the most wicked.
الذي كذب وتولى.
Who rejected the truth, calling it falsehood, and turned his back on it.
وسيجنبها الأتقى.
But the God-fearing shall be kept away from it.
الذي يؤتي ماله يتزكى.
The God-fearing who spends his wealth to purify himself.
وما لأحد عنده من نعمة تجزى.
Not as payment for any favors that he received.
إلا ابتغاء وجه ربه الأعلى.
But only to seek the good pleasure of his Lord Most High.
ولسوف يرضى.
He will surely be well pleased with him.